Welcome back to another lesson on ChatGPT. Are you tired of misinformation? Unsure where to find reliable facts? In today's video, we'll guide you on verifying and fact-checking information from AI sources like ChatGPT. First, let's understand why fact-checking is essential. AI can generate impressive content. However, it's not infallible. It can produce inaccuracies or outdated information. Next, we'll share best practices for verifying AI-generated data using external sources. Step 1. Identify key claims by focusing on data, statistics, and significant statements. Step 2. Cross-reference with reputable sources. Step 3. Verify across multiple sources for accuracy. Step 4. Look for the date of the information. Ensure it's current and relevant to your needs. Step 5. Be wary of biases in sources. Consider who wrote the information and the possible motives. Let's use an example for better understanding. Imagine you receive a statistic about climate change from ChatGPT. You check it against NASA's climate research. If both sources confirm the same figure, you can feel confident in its accuracy. In summary, always double-check AI-generated information. Identify claims. Use reputable sources. Check for currency and bias. Remember, knowledge is power, and verifying facts strengthens your arguments and decisions. Now, it's your turn. Start using these practices today to ensure you're well informed. In the next video we will discuss about market and AMP, competitor research for business. Stay connected with us. Thank you.